I can see it. You see it?
Yeah.
Right there? That's the rotation right there. That's awesome.
There it is right there.
Yeah, you can see the tornado right here.
I want to see it.
It's right here.
Oh my God!
Downstairs, guys.
I want to get a picture first. I've seen the tornado before.
What the tarnation?
It's a legit tornado.
It's the spiral cloud that came down.
Oh, it's not all the way made yet.
No, not yet. All right.
But we do need to go downstairs
But it's going.
because your families will sue me and so we'll die.
Don't worry about it.
It's going to pass us.
Anybody cares about me, I'm just sue you.
You can see debris.
Jared's just filming this.
Heck yeah, I am. I'm a storm chaser. This is my life. You can see debris flying up in it.
That's heading right to Hinkleville.
Yep.
Come on, Bobby.
Oh my God. You're gonna have to send me this video, okay?
It's amazing. Yeah, see the debris? Look. You see it hitting the trees.
Yep. Oh my God.
It's just right over there going by
That's
System
CSI,
Solutions.
yeah.
Up on the news.
It's going to hit System Solutions.
Seeing it right now. It's literally debris is coming up right now.
Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
That's insane. Holy shit.
I'm getting the whole thing on video. Looks like it's dissipating. Maybe. That's what Bobby just said. He said, I want your video.